That's not bad, ha? Yan lang pala, no? Okay pala. Oh, just put it on the table, anak. I know. It's a another noodle. Yeah, yeah. Palabok. Fancy. Yeah, fancy noodles. Madalagyan mo lang ng tubig kaya. Ito, para hindi mamatay ang apoy. Magpakulo ka lang ng magpakulo. Sayang yung apoy, para may apoy dito niya. Oo. May apoy pa, di pa kayo magluluto o wala? Wala, ewan ko. Where's Jade? Where? Uy, Bea, hello, hello. Astig. Thank you, sis. Alin? Diyan na, oo, diyan na. Oo, oo, oo. Mhm. Ay, yung mga tubig natin, dong. Tubig dito. Soda. Where's the cheeseburger? Si Joe daw. Ay, bigyan mo ng soda, yung soda nila. Dito na lang lagay yung soda. Ah, ay. Okay, and then now, Jelana, your turn. Jelana, you can put one too. You wanna put one? Jelana, you wanna reach it? I was really hot. Okay. Oh, wow. Good job. Yun yan. About Jelana. Jelana, your turn. Okay, it's Jelana's turn. That can you put it down? I think October is perfect to move out because it's winter, so you don't feel bad moving out Alaska, right? If you're like leaving like summer, it's like dang, this kind of, especially if the summer here is actually nicer like this. Yeah, so you don't feel like, yeah, that's a good one. I think that's a good timeline. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah, that's what my friend. Yeah, they pay, right. They pay everything to move. Yeah, there you go. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, just do that. October, perfect. Yeah, lagay mo na lahat. Oh. Really? I thought you like the weather like that. It's really sun. That's really sun. Yeah, here. Yeah.